Teaching a life-changing private lesson.
Yes. Yeah. Teaching a life-changing private lesson. Oh
That,
yeah.
that one's
That
for the coaches, I guess. Yeah.
it is for the coaches. And yeah, and that sounds like a really big topic, but oftentimes, I mean, I would say in a year, I would say anywhere from 10 to 20 of my private lessons turn into therapy sessions for the person. Um, and sometimes we do meet people in a time of crisis or, time of difficulty. And, you know, turning turning that into content to make their tennis better and also the quality of their lives better. It makes a big difference. I'll give one example. I had a student who was trying to cancel their private lesson with me at the last minute, and it wasn't, and I could tell that there was something going on with her, and that there was more going on, and it wasn't a big deal. I would have gladly canceled the private lesson, um, but I had this intuition that if she came to the lesson, that was going to be better for her. So when she comes, she tells me that um, her elderly mother didn't recognize her for the first time. And so, that's where the concept of just the idea and the way of being that you care more about your players. How much you care matters more than how much you know. And so, I mean, in that lesson, we maybe hit 50, maybe 150 tennis balls, but we did a lot of talking about how to get through that kind of experience when your parent doesn't recognize you for the first time, because there's grieving involved in that. So bringing that level of care and concern to your clientele is something that creates a really great relationship, loyalty, and it makes that time really matter more. So you kind of have to understand some more things than just the average. What helps you teach a better tennis lesson, and you have to be, um, if you really engage with your people and really care, then that'll come across in everything you do.